Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be cooking with Ace.
That's me.
That's
What
him.
are we doing today?
What are we cooking today, Ace? You want to tell them what we're cooking today?
We are cooking pizza that has pepperoni inside of it. I forgot how to say it.
Pizza, we're cooking pizza stuffed peppers in the air fryer. So what we're doing first,
we also need a skillet.
Yep, we have over here, we have some ground
It doesn't really matter what skillet.
ground sausage cooking in our electric skillet. Ace is going to cook that. While Ace cooks that and tries not to burn himself, because he's a good cook, by the way.
Yes. We actually should walk at a restaurant.
He says he should work at a restaurant. While he's doing that, I'm going to show you what you need. I've already cut some mushrooms and some onions, although it's really hard to see in this picture, in this video, maybe. Anyway,
And it's a little too bright.
you're going to need peppers. You're going to need some pizza sauce, and I like the Walmart brand, Great Value, because it has less sugar than the rest of them, so that's good. You're going to need some mozzarella cheese. You're going to need pepperoni, or really any kind of topping that you like. I mean, who doesn't like pepperoni, right? And some garlic powder, garlic powder. And
I'm pretty sure I'm done.
we're gonna, and so, okay, this the ground sausage, looks like it's about cooked. When this is cooked, make sure it's all broke up and all cooked. When it's all cooked, you can throw in your diced peppers and your diced mushrooms and onions and saute them.
Guys, comment down below if you're just watching this video for fun or not.
Saute that.
Oh yeah, actually like using our weapon.
Ace can mix that in. Then put in a little bit of garlic powder.
And tell us if it tastes good or not.
Yeah, tell us. This tastes good. We know. We've had it.
But,
Well, it tastes like pizza.
but does it taste good to you, guys? You don't know because you probably never did this recipe before. It's probably a fun time.
So what you're doing here is making a mixture to put into your peppers.
I like Chinese restaurant. A little.
You'll want those onions and mushrooms to cook.
Guys, I wish you could
I mean, as
smell
much as you
that.
want them cooked, because remember you're going to put this in the air fryer too, so they will continue to cook while they're in the air fryer. Or in the oven, if you like the oven. Okay, so our mixture over here with the sausage and onions and peppers is about cooked. So we're gonna put in our pizza sauce. Here you go.
Yeah, and we have some.
Be careful,
and we
don't
got
splatter.
ourselves some fizzling water.
Yes, we're drinking these waters. If you like soda, and you're trying to kick that soda habit, I recommend these. Although a lot of people say they're kind of gross because they don't have sweeteners in them, but they're fizzy and flavored. Okay, we're out of pizza sauce. You might need some more. This was just a half a jar.
Half a jar.
And while that's sauteing,
Grab me more.
yeah. While that's sauteing.
Oh, we also have.
I'm going to first half and take all the seeds.
Okay, I got some multi sauce.
Okay, you can pour half a jar in here.
I just made the whole thing back.
Just half a jar. Just a little. That's probably good. Okay, and then you can mix that. And you want to cut your peppers in half, taking out the core and the seeds. But try to leave the ends on it. So your pizza mixture will stay inside of it. I'll show you what I mean when I take this out.
Look at that. Is that
Like this.
Is that what it's supposed to look like?
So it won't fall out the end here.
Looking good?
Looking good. Keep mixing it. Don't let it burn. Ace, what's your favorite keto meal?
My keto meal is keto friendly pizza. What we're making right now.
What we're making right now
Yeah.
is your favorite?
Okay, I actually don't know. I never even tasted.
Ace, what is your favorite meal? Doesn't have to be keto. What's your favorite meal?
Anything from McDonald's.
Anything from McDonald's, he says.
You think Chuck E. Cheese is gross?
Chuck E. Cheese, in my opinion, is gross, yes. Okay, so I have my peppers cut now.
Looking like pizza?
What we're going to do next is move these sodas out of the way.
This actually looks
Out of the way, everything out of the way. I am going to, this is my air fryer here. I have the Ninja Foodie, which I like. It's an air fryer and pressure cooker and slow cooker and everything all in one. What I really don't like about it though is it is small. For the air fryer, it's really small and you can only put so much in there. It's not like a flat one like a lot of these other ones that are kind of like ovens. That's what I like, but we live in a small space, so I have to condense my appliances, and this is what actually works best. So I'm going to turn the air fryer on and heat it. I put it at 390 degrees.
looking good.
Looking good. Now I'm going to move my meat over into a bowl. Okay, I have gotten my mixture, my ground sausage, onions, and mushrooms, and I put it in a bowl just to make it easier to stuff my peppers with. My peppers are cut, so I need to now take the mixture here
That's
and
the last thing we have to
put
do.
this right in the peppers. So fill it like so, if you can see that. And put some mozzarella cheese on top. And then I like to cut my pepperoni into 4s and just stick it on top. You don't have to, but I think it looks, oops, I think it looks nice. And then you stick this right in your air fryer. Be careful, it's probably hot.
Got a vacuum can.
I'm gonna get these out of here and hope they don't.
Run it out.
Here is what it looks like. Oh, dripping. And the ultimate test is to let my kids eat it, because they're the pickiest people on the planet. So if they like it,
No, we're not.
if they like it, then anybody will like it. Okay, so here we have the stuffed peppers. They don't look too appetizing.
But you're probably going to be delicious. Yep. I can't get
That's mine.
I can't get a bite of it.
I haven't picked at mine. That's probably why mine looks a little bit better than theirs. It's hot.
I can't get it. I got a hole in mine.
Okay. You gonna take a bite first?
What?
Good? You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Wait a second, let me try to get some pepper in there.
You might need a knife.
Yeah. Nope, the pepper didn't just decide to stay on.
Here's a little bit of pepper. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Should we make it again?
Mm-hmm.
Ace?
Yep.
Awesome. Okay, I'll put the recipe in the comments. I mean in the description, not the comments, in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or dislike if you hate it, you know, whatever. That's engagement. I'm cool with that. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.